the student what has been created in the slide, right? Next is your sticky sorter. Yes, Parvez wants to tell us that what is sticky sorter?
Sticky sorter is an application through which we can organize our information which we want to use, and we have used, we wanted the input devices and output devices. We have put the input devices and added some nodes, and then we have added a group of input devices and added nodes like mouse, keyboard and other things that we use as input devices in a computer. And we have used the output devices also in the computer which we needed, like we can say our monitor and speakers, etc.
Basically, we will create a short notes in an organized manner, right? Anyone else wants to add on it? Okay, very nice. Next we created this slide that was for the digital story. This was the slide which was created by us. That the cow was moving into it. They're having a spin, and that will just move with the scribble path, and there will be the narrated form when I saw the cow that will be played into it. Next is your chemistry added word that has to be taken the last. And worldwide telescope. Anyone wants to add it? What is Microsoft worldwide telescope? Yes. Yes. First of all, I just want to ask Pritish first.
I mean, this way we can turn our computer into the world largest the Microsoft worldwide telescope, which is a very powerful telescope in the world, and it is used in the visualization of the space, solar system, like solar system in our galaxy Milky Way, and everything in the galaxy and the Milky Way we can see with the help of a worldwide telescope. It is a great recreation for us launched by the Microsoft.
Okay, yes, Aditya wants to add on it.
Sizing of these plants will also be founded as well as many of the functions are you can see through this, and it needs internet connection. Thank you.
Okay, very good. The next is anyone wants to add on it? National anthem is going on.
You can see monitor into the universe. It is
Which words ma'am will definitely come away now. Please be quiet.
it's very experience is very nice. Like 3D, it gives us information about every planet, star, and sun, etc.
Please also
Now I will tell you about the ribbon reader. It is a software we will learn by playing games to how to make the pie charts. In this slide there are given the hints that how to play, that how we have to play, and in this it is like a digital learning in which we can learn that how to make the pie chart in easy way.
very nice. Only the pie charts that can be learned by us in this ribbon here. What is the pie chart? We can't learn the MS Word along way.
Yes, and we can also add the context in it.
So we can learn the MS Word. You can say PowerPoint also. OneNote and as well as the
Excel.
Note one. So next tool is digital literacy curriculum. You can say I told you about the digital storytelling. It is one and the same, right? Next is Skype in the classroom. Please tell me what is Skype. Akshay will tell you about the Skype. Yes, Akshay will tell us what is Skype in the classroom, how we can use it, and what are the essential features to the Skype.
It is used for video conferences, video calling,
Okay, we have the topic.
virtual classes,
What kind of, how we can use it?
for teaching purpose.
By using the internet connection as well as by signing.
Using internet connections and ID.
By logging into it, this Skype we can use it. Very good, very nice. Please watch part of it.
Skype is a free and easy way for us to open up our class. Using Skype in the classroom, we can interact with other students in worldwide. It is a freeware tool, and by this we can talk to our friends and class in the classroom. Thank you.
You see that chemistry is added in the ribbon, right? So chemistry added word that has the requirement that is Windows 7 or 8, right? And VS Code that has to be downloaded and installed on your PC, right? And which MS Word 2007, 2010, 2013 that has to be used for the chemistry added word. That is very beneficial for the plus 1, plus 2 and 10th class students like science subject, chemistry subject, right? Now let us take the example of this. Mouse right click, mark as chemistry, then you will set benzene, right? If I want to view the 2D, then I will click on view, then mark it on view, let 2D. If I want to see the 2D of the benzene, I just don't need to draw the structure formula, you can just 2D of the benzene is this. This is structure formula for the benzene, right? Now let's take another example of the methane. Methane's formula is CH4. Let's see. If I just write methane on the this content, like methane selected, then mouse right click, then mark as chemistry, then methane. If I want to see again the 2D of the this methane, then view 2D. You will see the structure formula for the methane. Please click on this screen. You can see this is main carbon, this CH4. Carbon is over here in the middle. So it has been not shown that only the 4 hydrogens, the hydrocarbons have been shown by. So CH4 is the methane. Molecular formula of the methane and structure formula is this kind of. So what else can be done in the chemistry? Let's see that. So if I want to view, you can view like if I want to have the CH4, then other, let us see other way. Let's see other. We are having the methane CH4 297. That on any thing. Alien formula like name, IUPAC name is there, label, molecular code number is there. Name CS tribal. Suppose name tribal. Name tribal. That's all. So for this, some of the tools you can upload on it by using the internet connection, right? Some of the structures can be also be upload from, like load from file or the per chemistry. You can see PUB chemistry is what? Chemistry adding words. You can search. If you have the internet connections, you can import that. You can import that from the PUB chemistry. You can definitely upload that. Fine. I told you about the chemistry is in the ribbon as well as mathematics is also in the ribbon also. You can see over here, click on the chemistry, you can have the complex numbers, but we can have the graph, equations, then we can compute the calculations for that, and we have the complex numbers also, and structures also, and graphs also. But we have done in the Microsoft Mathematics 4.0. But lesson can be done in the Microsoft Mathematics 4.0, but lesson can be done into that because less features are there in this mathematics tool than MS Word of 2007 or the 10, right? So this finishes the Microsoft tools workshop. So thanks for it, was very nice.